smartphone. Extract the nano SIM card and micro SD card tray. The 5.2-inch Full HD display assembly with curved glass is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the triangle opening tool, slice through the sticky adhesive. The display assembly is still connected to the phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the bracket that covers the display cable. Detach the cable and decouple the Sony Xperia XZ screen from the phone.